If you want to customize lock screen on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Once you open settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to personalization. Now, in here in personalization, you can just tap on your current lock screen in order to start customizing it. You can zoom in and zoom out the wallpaper. You can use two fingers in order to adjust the position of the wallpaper. And over here we can also tap on any of these information sections that we have in here, like we have the date, which we can adjust a little bit. We have the time, so we can change the clock face. As you can see, we have a selection of many different clock faces. And also we have some additional settings like the font selection, the thickness of the font, colors, and so on and so forth. Although some of these options are not available for these different faces. So if I choose this big clock over here, then I can only change the color. And besides that, let me actually go back to the classic style. For example, you can also find the signature options. You can write your own phrase in here. We can also find the depth effect if the phone detects that there is like a clear subject in front of the clock. So you can try to hide it behind that subject. And we have a couple of different effects that we can use as well. Now, of course, if you made any changes, you want to use the apply button. You might also be suggested to use the wallpaper carousel feature, which changes the lock screen wallpaper every time you open the lock screen. So if you like that feature, you can of course turn it on. If not, then you can just disagree to use it. You can also go to the lock style option in personalization in order to try to find a couple of different presets. So if you have no idea how you want your lock screen to look like, you can use one of these presets and then you can start from there. You can customize these presets, of course. Here we can also see the example of the depth effect, the 36 minutes on the clock is actually like hidden behind that person, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, lots of different presets that we can start with. And of course, if you want to use a preset, you can just tap on customize and then you can begin. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.